We're back in business, boys. I just wanted to let this be known. If you didn't know, now you know. New or returning subscribers. Now, it says select returning subscribers here, but this worked for me. 2 months, Apple TV Plus, totally free. The deal's back, baby. So if you have been cheapskating and you have not wanted to pay for the Apple TV Plus like I haven't, here's your chance. I'll include a link to this in the show notes. I'll drop it right here in the show notes and in the chat. If you want to try it out, my friends, and get yourself free Apple TV Plus for 2 more months. I don't know, man. I don't have enough time, and they still don't have enough content that I would want to make me pay for it. So, and they keep putting these deals out there, man. I'll have to take like a month off, 2 months off, and then I get another deal, and they almost always work. So I figured, why pay for it, Lewis, you know? Or maybe you can make me your son on your Apple plan or something. We'll work something out.
All right. Yeah, sure.
Of course, then I have access to your credit card and all your photos and everything, but, who cares? Not a big deal. And then I'll make someone else my son, and then they can make someone else their son, and then we'll have I think we just figured out the hack, dude. You have a son, I have a son, my son has a son, and we'll just keep adding children, and we'll get the entire cast audience onto your plan.
It's like chain migration, only for Apple TV Plus free subscription.
Somehow I think they probably already figured that out. So, all right.
I bet Tim would put a stop to that.
Yeah, it wouldn't take long. And by stop,
and
he would show up to your house.
On me right about the time that the second season of Severance comes out.
Yeah.
That would break my heart.
Oh, dude, that actually is the one show that I would pick up and pay to watch.
They just finished shooting season 2.
I heard that, but dude, post-production is going to be a year long.
They say it'll be out by the end of the year.
Okay, so what is that? 8 months from now?
7 months.
Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, sort of.
I can't wait.
Yeah, me either. That was a really good show.